For once I'm out of town and YouTube drops a truckload of new features and policy updates. We are talking about a somewhat new official YouTube Media Kit for everyone in the YouTube Partner Program. I mean, if you're following this channel, you already knew how to get your hands on it with a workaround. A new feature for educational content and a very serious policy change that you need to know about if you run multiple channels. Alright, let's start with the official YouTube Media Kit. This one-page PDF is now available for download to all creators in the YouTube Partner Program globally. You might remember our workaround video from a while back to get access to it without being in the Brand Connect program. However, you don't need that anymore. Our feedback was finally heard and made it to a full release. It's now an official feature. In your YouTube Studio under the Earn tab, you'll find a new link to download your Media Kit. Quick recap. A Media Kit contains unique data points you can't find in your regular analytics, like your audience watch and shopping interests. Usually this professional document is needed when negotiating brand deals, and you would normally have to enter all the data by hand and design it. Now it's just a download away to get the most up-to-date metrics. Next up, YouTube courses are being rolled out to everyone. This is a special playlist type that turns your videos into a structured learning experience with quizzes, progress tracking and its own tab on your channel page. Courses also might get featured on the YouTube Courses landing page. Courses can only be created via desktop right now and need to contain at least 3 videos that must have been uploaded to your own channel. Also, those videos must not be age restricted. Until now, Courses was a very exclusive beta, but it's expanding to all creators with access to advanced features. If you're an educational creator, you should look into this. Alright, now for a serious and important policy enforcement change. YouTube scaling up the enforcement of its related channel YPP suspension policy. In simple terms, if one of your channels gets suspended from the YouTube Partner Program, all other channels will now also automatically be suspended or rejected. You will now receive a clear notification stating suspended due to related channel. If you run more than one channel and one gets demonetized for, let's say, reused content, all channels will get kicked out of the Partner Program. Be extremely diligent with your content across all your channels. Also, check your old content periodically if you're still complying with the current policies. Alright, let's do a rapid fire round of some other important updates. For live streamers, the public to member only transition is now officially being rolled out and the side-by-side ads are expanding to Android mobile devices. For Shorts creators, there are now 2 new AI features, Extend with AI and new Gen AI tool in the Effect Maker. For community engagement, voice replies to comments are expanding and comment threads are getting a visual update. And finally, YouTube is updating how views coming from ads are counted. This is an update for the folks who run YouTube promotions or tinker with Google Ads. Obviously, if you run an ad, that view can't generate revenue. So earnings as creators won't be affected by this, but you might see your public view counts go up slightly if you run your videos as an ad. Alright, that's it for this week. A ton of new updates, the official Media Kit and the expansion of courses are definitely my highlights for this week. But what do you think? Is the related channel suspension policy a fair move from YouTube? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by, take care, and I'll see you next week with more YouTube updates for creators.